Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and if you're into Huck's World, and today is a good day. All right, you all, we got a nice watch face for you all to check out. Stay tuned, it's coming right up. What's up? Welcome back to another video, and today we got an awesome watch face to take a look at by OW. That's going to be Original Watch Faces. He got down on this one. I like the boldness of it. Now, the name of the watch face is called Zosma. It is a 12-24-hour watch face based off of the settings that you have going on within your smartphone. And in always on mode, it's pretty much going to look the same. But once it's on, at the top, you will get animated seconds. You come down, you get your minutes. You will get your hour. I like that the hours are big and bold, so it's very legible. You come down, you will get the month, the date, and the day of the week. Also, you'll get your battery percentage down at the bottom, and you got a theme, a nice looking theme going on in the background as well that I like. Now, what I like about the watch is that it has subtle curves for each row of information coming all the way down till you get to your battery percentage. So I thought this was nice. Now, this comes in strictly white. You can get this in blue, yellow, orange, red, and I'm thinking green. Check this out in the Gear Manager store. It's definitely worthy of a download and worthy of the price that's being charged for this watch face. All right, you all, that's going to be it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more and you haven't subscribed, go ahead. It's okay. Subscribe to the channel. And as always, I'm going to see you all again at the next video. Take care.